Hey guys, doing another video about the flip and connecting it to the HDMI cable on the back into the TV. So what I'm gonna do is, well, is that for me at least, if you have a flat screen TV, turn on the power. Oh my god, my light just turned out. Alright, my light just turned out. Alright, I'm back. I have no idea why that just happened. Alright, so you see, alright, maybe you can't see. Alright, because it just went off, that's why. Alright, so what you want to do is come right here. It can be kind of hard for me because I have two hands and like 4 different things. So I'm going to place my camera down for a second. So you see my HDMI cable that's going to hook up into my flip, so let me do that real quick. Okay, that's been done, as you can see. Now we're going to take the end that goes into the TV, and for me, it's right here. Let me get a flashlight. Let me get a flashlight, guys, so you guys can see. Turn it on. Okay. Right there. So I'm gonna put the camera down. Right there. Just take my HDMI cable and plug it in. Oh, sorry. I just blinded you. So now we're here. My flip is connected right up into my TV. So what I'm going to do is, like I said in my other video, so I'm going to turn on the power. There it says. Now all these lights should light up besides the screen. So I'm just going to put this right here for right now. And now you're either going to have a space on your TV or on your remote control, and it's going to say source right here. So I'm just going to keep on pushing it until HDMI comes up on my top left hand corner. And it's the very first one. And of course I'm not going to have a great picture because I am doing a video camera on a TV, but right there is my last video about the camera I'm actually recording this on right now. And I can go back to me making another video. I think that was an unboxing video. It's kind of hard. Alright, there we go. That's my MacBook Pro 13-inch review. And that's the speed test review, and that might be a speed test right there again. So guys, thank you for watching. This is my video on how to connect your flip into your TV using the HDMI cable. Guys, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.